Hey, and welcome to Brooklyn Motors, New York's #1 Tesla-approved body shop. As an iCar Gold certified repair center, we understand how frustrating it is to be without your car during its repair. So, we make a usually long and stressful situation an easy and seamless process. We go above and beyond to make sure you have a pleasant experience. Brooklyn Motors has now launched our new Valley service. When a customer calls in, we send a driver or a truck to deliver a rental car directly to your driveway and pick up your damaged car to be brought back to our repair center. Brooklyn Motors is a direct repair facility for several insurance companies. However, we do work with all insurance companies to have your car estimated for damage and repaired fast. Once your car is back to its showroom condition, we deliver it right back to your driveway and we pick up your rental. It's as easy as that. Call to have your vehicle picked up and a rental car dropped off. We repair your car to its showroom condition. Then we deliver it right back to your driveway in record time. Trust the best to handle the best. Brooklyn Motors.